Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today, I was feeling kind of burnt out. Kaya nakapag-decide yung freelancer nyo to have a short getaway. Away from deadlines, client revisions, the usual. Parang, my brain is starting to feel like a fried egg na. So I really need this place, the green, the vibe, the energy. I just really need this right now. So while we were on our way to the farm, I took some videos para ma-share ko naman sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung farm ng ate ko. Well, this is not technically her farm, but there's a portion here na nakapagtayo siya ng kanyang maliit na kubo, and then nag-start din siyang mag-poultry. So, ayun. Watch lang kayo and you will see more later on. Ayan, at medyo malapit na tayo sa ating destination. So while we are on our way, ayan, makikita niyo yung mga corn farm, corn fields, at saka yung may mga eggplant farms sa kabilang road. And then, may mga coconuts, bananas, napakaraming mga produce. Talaga namang fresh na fresh. So, every time na nagpupunta ako dito is may mga nakahaing pagkain which came from the farm. So, yung fresh air, nakakapag-exercise ako, and then yung mga home-cooked meals nila sa bahay with ingredients straight from the farm. And this is really important, Pag palagi ka na lang nasa computer, you really need to find a place. It doesn't have to be a farm. You can go somewhere sa dagat pa, or if you want to hug a tree, dahil ito yung mga ways para ma-recharge ka. Kasi especially kapag creative, talagang madidrain ka talaga sa work natin. So, ayun, just enjoy your day and make sure that meron kang pagkakaabalahan na hindi related sa ginagawa mo. And we are almost here. Ayun, nakikita ko na yung kubo. Ayan, we are here. If you're like me and feeling mo is drain ka na, kakatingin mo sa computer screen all day, ito yung 5 quick tips that you need to do para ma-refresh yung mind and body, and para pagbalik mo sa trabaho is feeling energized ka na. Tip number 1, step away and stretch. Take a short break every 30 minutes or so. Get up, walk around, stretch your muscles, and get some fresh air if possible. You don't have to go very far. Even a few minutes of movement can make a big difference. Tip number 2, hydrate. Don't forget to drink your water. Dehydration can lead to fatigue. Kaya naman, keep a water bottle handy, yung nakikita mo sa malapit sa computer mo or sa working station mo, para every time na nakikita mo siya is nare-remind mo yung self mo na, oh, I need to drink water na pala. And avoid sugary drinks like soda. This can give you a temporary boost, pero may kapalit naman na crash. Third tip, eye strain relief. Give your eyes a break. Kahit nga phone, di ba, nag-iinit din, napapagod din yung phone. So, kailangan talagang bigyan natin ng pahinga. And that also applies to your eyes. Look away from the screen every 20 minutes or for 20 seconds and focus on something far away. Kagaya ng mga trees na to, di ba? It's very refreshing talaga sa mata. Adjust your screen brightness if you're using your computer, and consider using blue light filter glasses to reduce your eye strain. And yung fourth tip ko is do some light exercise, a quick burst of activity. If gusto mo ng exercise while being productive, you can also do like house chores, mag-mop ka, mag-scrub ka ng floor, anything that would keep you moving. Do some jumping jacks or jumping rope or even a simple yoga poses. Get your blood flowing and your heart rate up for a quick refresh. And pag may mga pets ka, o di, plus yun, pwede kang makipaglaro sa dogs mo, or if you want to go for a walk with your dog, or if you have a cat, you can play with them. So in that way, you are active kahit nasa bahay ka lang. And my final tip for you guys is healthy snacking. Avoid sugary snacks that will give you a crash. Kasi pag nawawala na yung focus mo, if you're eating too much sugar, nalulose yung focus, and then eventually, hindi mo na matatapos yung mga trabaho mo. So, avoid that and make sure if you want something to eat, you can have some nuts with you or yogurt or prutas kung meron. And remember, taking care of yourself is very important para ma-maintain yung productivity mo. I-follow mo lang yung mga simple tips na to everyday in your life, and it would make a huge difference sa iyong work routine. Siyempre, diba, hindi naman yung tips natin is hindi naman siya limited about tips lang paano mag-freelancing, but how to stay in the long game. I hope this video is helpful, and I hope na na-inspire ko kayo today. And kung gusto nyong makatulong, share this video to your friends, to your colleagues, and comment down kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.